Who walks at a faster rate? Someone who walks 60 feet in 10 seconds, or someone who takes 5 seconds to walk 25 feet. The rate is the distance divided by the time. So distance is on top and time is on the bottom. And that'll tell us how fast they're walking, their speed. 60 divided by 10 is 6 feet per second. 25 divided by 5 is 5 feet per second. If you want somebody who is walking faster, do you want somebody who walks more feet in 1 second or less feet in 1 second? So, the first person walks faster because they cover a larger distance in 1 second.